only main level and upper level with an exclusive entrance and a beautiful, bright and upgraded 3-level townhome. Open floor plan with 3 bedrooms, 2 full and 1 half bath. Main level boasts spacious living room, separate dining room, updated kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. Cozy family room and large deck backing to evergreen trees. Gleaming hardwood floor on the entire main level. Upper level features spacious master suite with fireplace and 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath. New roof, fresh paint, new carpet, updated light fixtures, gas cooking, and heating. Children's play area nearby. Basement and garage are not included. Long driveway can accommodate up to 2 cars. Close to Fair Oaks Mall, Fair Lakes Shopping Center, Wegmans, Harris Teeter, Whole Foods, and Fairfax County Government Center. Conveniently located near major routes, RT50, I-66 Fairfax County Parkway, RT29, Metro Bus, and Dulles Airport. Easy commute to DC with proximity to I-66. Community amenities include